This has been about a month since they installed new furnace and AC. Furnace hasn't been used other than the fan, but we've got a iffy meter reader for our electricity. They keep firing the worker. They keep hiring in a new one. So it's going to take a couple of months to gauge whether or not there's a utility savings or not. But in the meantime, I was down here looking. Had insulation over that that line for the water heater. That's the hot water exit. And that valve leaks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut that line above that valve, and I'm going to tear out all of this. I'm going to take that connection loose from the water tank. Because, for one thing, I don't think I'll get that. See, this is a galvanized connection, and this is a copper connection. There's a short copper nipple in between there, and then it goes into copper again, but I don't know what exactly is there. That's the same size. I might be able just to cut it here. See, this down here isn't leaking. It's just got color on it because of that leak up there. And with that insulation on it, it kept the dry air from reaching the water to evaporate it before it reached all the way down here. So by cutting it there, hell, it's as much as fittings cost. I'll just buy myself another fitting to go in here and just replace all of it. This over here was installed at the same time. And it's looking pristine. So I really don't need the valve on the other side, actually. So it took 2 years. 3 years. It'll be 3 years in November when I installed that. And it took that long for that mess to materialize. It's not really a problem. water tank still working, and it doesn't spray water. It's just it had water dripping and flowing down the entire tank. So we'll just we'll fix it. Now that we've identified it, we'll fix it. I'm gonna cut this fitting as high as I can on this copper fitting. Because there's a strong possibility that I won't be able to get this fitting loose because of the corrosion. But being as I know this doesn't leak, I'll just I'll cut it here, and then I'll have enough to connect on, and then I'll cut it up there and do this just as simple as possible. I like to put these unions in there to make believe that you'll be able to take them apart when it's time to work on them. But the truth of the factor is they always are jammed up so tight that you can't get them loose at all. So it's a good idea that doesn't really work out. Okay, we're out of here.